Hi, my name is Hunter from Xtras, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a trigger if it's sticky or causing you problems. So first you'll need a T10 Torx head. We're going to remove the screw that's inside of the trigger. So once you get the screw out, you're going to go ahead and lightly pull down. And once the trigger gets off this bottom edge of the handle, it should come right open, exposing your spring. Once your trigger is out, you can begin to clean where the debris buildup can occur, which would be around the screw that holds the trigger in, around anywhere up in here. What's nice is because the arms have these grooved slots in them, so you can go ahead and get up and around and clean everything out. Again, you could use whatever you want. Then once that's done, you can begin to reassemble your trigger into your handle. You can lightly twist it in, make sure it's seated. And these are some nice parts to have on hand, the screw and the spring. So once you're here, you're going to go ahead and slide the spring into this. And then you got to be careful because you don't want to strip out your trigger rod. So just go until you start to feel a little bit of tension, and then don't take it past that point. And there you go.